snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What is going on, guys? Today's just going to be a really short video. I'm here at the car right now just dropping off some parts for the brake upgrade that we will be doing shortly, or in a couple weeks anyway, to get it ready if we make it to the Toronto International Auto Show for the PASMAG Tuner Battlegrounds Competition. There's more parts coming for the car as well that I'm pretty excited about, so I just want to jump on here and remind you guys to keep voting for me. I really appreciate all the support that you've been giving me so far. It's really amazing how much support that I've been getting. And here comes the snowplow, so I'll end it right now. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep the votes coming. Hope to see a lot of you at the International Auto Show if I make it. And remember, guys, stay awesome, stay low, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.